The inspiration behind the story of Hollywood Hills Recovery was just a few of us trying to make something out of nothing because we understood the struggle and how difficult it is to get to this point in life. We've always been the ones that were the outcast. We've always been the ones that were shut down. We were always told we're less than. But today, look at us. We have this beautiful career in front of us and we're able to actually help people.
My name is Leo Arm, Bakersfield, California. I'm 25 years old. Came to Hollywood Hills Recovery about, I'd say, in June of 23. It's been a great experience here. I've grown so much. I came in as a homeless drug addict, on and off the streets, in and out of jails, institutions, and I've been to previous treatment centers in the past, which have never gave me a feeling that I had here. More of they have a family feeling here, and that's what I really needed. Out on the streets, you have nobody. As an addict or an alcoholic, you have nobody. And even if you do have people around you, they're usually negative people. Coming here and having a new experience on the environment of which people, it just changes your whole perspective on everything and about recovery. Now I am like changing.
The moment I realized that there was a genuine need for a facility like Hollywood Hills Recovery was when we understood that people are really struggling with addiction, mental health, and it's very difficult to create that bridge from a normality to a challenging moment to addiction.
I've had a lot of breakthrough moments with clients that gave me chills, but there was one in particular, it was recent, and the client was really just sad, broken, hopeless, struggling. And I got to tell him while we were sitting in session, I said, you know, a big part of recovery is me holding your hand and us holding your hand and you getting to finally look in the mirror where you don't have to face it alone. And you're not filled with the shame and guilt and regret and remorse of having to see your reflection of a person that you don't really know anymore, you know? And we get to stand there holding your hand behind you as you look, which is really hard to do, to finally face yourself and look in the mirror. And he just started crying and crying and crying. And sometimes knowing that you have that kind of support and that people are there to show up for you and support you and hear you, it's moving, very.
We have come up with a beautiful idea for these clients, and that's all about culture. And we're able to really captivate on what their needs are, what they're struggling with, and how we can be of service.